Hello everyone, today I am here before you all with some words that we rarely think of. I am starting with the first one. If I ask you what is the space between your eyebrows called? आपकी आईब्रो के बीच की जो स्पेस है, जगह है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Does answer seem difficult? Okay, let me tell you, it is called glabella. It is spelled as Glabella. Glabella, that is the space between your eyebrows. Next comes वाह, बाहर में बरसात हो रही है, बरसात हो रही है, भीनी भीनी खुशबू आ रही है, सोंधी सोंधी खुशबू आ रही है. What is this called in English? The smell we receive just after the rain, or the way it smells after the rain, a distinctive earthy and generally pleasant odor that we have. It is petrichor. Petrichor. Petrichor, जिसे हम हिंदी में सोंधी या भीनी खुशबू कहते हैं, जो बरसात के बाद आती है. जब वो मिट्टी पर बरसात की बूंदें पड़ती हैं और जो खुशबू आती है, हिंदी में तो हम उसे सोंधी कहते हैं या भीनी कहते हैं. इंग्लिश इट इज कॉल्ड पेट्रिकॉर. नेक्स्ट, जूते हम सब पहनते हैं, with less or without less, with laces or without laces, right? At the end of the laces we have a plastic coating. एक प्लास्टिक का कोट होता है, टिप होता है. What do we say this in English? इसे हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Commonly we say laces, shoelaces, but we never think of or we never pay attention about that part of the laces. It is aglet. AGLET, aglet. Fork, कांटे वाले चम्मच. We all use enjoying pizza, burger, bread, pieces of bread, many things. कांटे वाला चम्मच in Hindi, fork in English. But the prongs, वो जो कांटेदार हिस्सा जिससे आप कोई चीज खाते हैं, what do we say this in English? इस कांटेदार हिस्से को, आपके फॉर्क के, हम क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? It is tines. TINES, tines. आज मैं व्यस्त हूँ, कल मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, परसों मैं लौटूंगा, आप उसके बाद आना. I have some work today, tomorrow I am leaving for another place, day after tomorrow I will be coming. What to say day after tomorrow in one word in English? हिंदी में हम इसे परसों कहते हैं, इंग्लिश में हम इसे ओवर मोरो कहते हैं. OVERMORROW, ओवर मोरो. Tomorrow I am busy, do come over मोरो, परसों आइएगा. The tiny finger, a tiny toe. Okay, before I move on with this tiny finger, a tiny toe, let me have a question to all of you. How many fingers we have in our feet? Your answer may be 10. Some of them may say 8. But my dear friends, we have 10 toes in our feet. In English, we have no fingers in feet. We have fingers in hand and toes in feet. Okay, coming back with the term tiny finger or tiny toes. What to say them in English in one word? Minimus. 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 Next, ना 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 रे ना रे ना रे ना 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 रे ना रे ना la 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 la. Thinking, what am I doing? Okay, these are the words in song generally has no meaning but it is defined by a term in English. ये कुछ ऐसे शब्द हैं, अक्षर हैं जो हम गाने में सुनते हैं, हिंदी गानों में सुनते हैं और भी बहुत सारे गानों में सुनते हैं जिनका कोई अर्थ नहीं होता है. They generally do not have any meaning. In English, it is called vocables. 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 Next. You all might have heard about exclamation, exclamatory mark, and question mark. Question mark with interrogative sentences and exclamations with exclamatory sentences. What about if we combine both of them? Interrogative sign means question mark and exclamation mark. You may say that you have not seen this before, but it is there. And in English, it is called interrobang. 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 Example, how can we use like this? So like this, a question is hidden as well as it is your sudden expression, so exclamation as well. So this sentence or this group of words will have question mark as well as exclamation sign, and it is called in English interrobang. Next. बेटा उठ जाओ, स्कूल का टाइम हो रहा है. मम्मी 2 मिनट और. बेटा उठ जाओ ना, 5 मिनट हो गए. मम्मी बस 2 मिनट. बेटा स्कूल बस आ जाएगी, जल्दी करो, पानी चला जाएगा. बस मम्मी बस 2 मिनट और. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Your mother keeps on waking you up, keeps on asking you to leave the bed, but we do not do so. Not because of we do not want. We want, but we are not in condition to leave the bed immediately. It seems very difficult to get out of the bed in morning. सुबह सुबह नींद अच्छी आती है और बिस्तर छोड़ने का मन नहीं करता है. What do we say this in English? Dysania. Dysania. Dysania is the difficulty, means a condition when you feel it very difficult to get out of your bed in morning. आपकी हस्तलिपि बड़ी खराब है. You have bad handwriting, you have poor handwriting, you have illegible handwriting. In one word, griffonage. 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 Next. We have two sort of letters, capital letters and small letters. And in small letters, you must have seen dot over I, letter I and letter J. What is this dot called? In general, we say point or dot, but there is a word for it. Tittle. Tittle. Another meaning of tittle is very small part. We can also associate tittle with this dot that we put over I and J. Many a time when we are full with our stomach, काफ़ी ज़्यादा खा लेते हैं. We drink excessively, काफ़ी ज़्यादा पी भी लेते हैं. Then there is an awkward situation that you are unable to express yourselves in a way expected. Lack of moderation, lack of expression, utterly sick feeling after eating or drinking excessively. What about this in English? Crapulence. 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 Utterly sick feeling when you eat or drink excessively. Hope you all have updated yourselves with all these 12 words I brought today. We'll see you soon with another topics on English related to reading, writing, speaking, grammar, or else do not forget to subscribe this channel if you like it and share too. Till then, goodbye.